is off. All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
Sophie and I built this homemade operations game using a maker's kit by Tinker Crate.
No, it was KiwiCo.
Oh yeah, KiwiCo. So this game essentially is a parallel circuit that has two branches. The first branch goes through the buzzer, which makes this buzzing sound, and the second branch goes through this LED light. And there is a main switch, which is this loop. In this game, you're supposed to not touch the wire here, but if you accidentally touch the wire, that makes the buzzing sound. And so this is the main switch. And then there's another switch here which connects to the LED, and it is in a second branch. I disconnected it before the demonstration so that we can see that these two parallel circuits, the parallel branches can work independently.
Yes.
And now it is connected. Once it's connected, when the main switch, which is this loop, connects to the wire, it will switch on the LED as well. So
No, if this touches this.
yeah, it doesn't.
And there is also how it works is that when it touches through here, if you go down here, let's turn this. Then the loop is connected, but not the loop. This is connected to here, which goes straight to the buzzer, which will make the sound. Then,
Yeah, this popped out.
Then another one connected to the buzzer is the light. The light is also connected to the battery, and the battery is connected.
That's the
battery
second
is
branch
also
of the
connected
circuit.
to the loop.
Yeah. That's interesting. Now we have our own operations game.
And this is connected also to the lights.
That's right. Well done, Sophie.